sponsored by Concierge Medicine of West Michigan. Sisters Jana and Lara Bottenberg never planned to start a medical practice together. They are both graduates of Calvin University, Wayne State, and the Michigan State University Med School. After years in traditional medicine, they decided to make a change for themselves and their patients. They founded Concierge Medicine of West Michigan. Doctors Lara and Jana Bottenberg are here to tell us what it was about traditional medicine that inspired the change and what it means for their patients. And it's good to have you both here.
Thanks for having us.
Here. Concierge medicine, tell me what that means.
Concierge medicine is really a patient-focused, membership-based primary care where we can really focus on our patients, their needs, their wants, as opposed to what insurance may dictate is needed for them. And we want to provide very personalized relationship-type care for our patients, and in doing that, we're able to provide extra long appointments for our patients. We can guarantee same and next day appointments for them, and they have direct access to us as their physicians via text or phone, so they can get a hold of someone whenever they need to. And in order to be able to do this, we can only take a select number of patients because we want to really provide that personalized and holistic care.
So what inspired the move? Because I know, as I said, you spent a number of years in traditional medicine, as they say. What made you want to make the move?
Yeah, we did spend enough time in traditional medicine to realize that this was not good care for our patients. We saw day after day the frustrations that our patients were having in that traditional system. They would have to wait sometimes weeks to get an appointment. When they called, they were on hold for 30, 60 minutes, and they never felt like they could have that direct access to their doctor to get their questions answered when they needed to be answered. So we knew that something could be done that could provide a better experience and provide the care that patients actually need and want. And so that's when we decided to transition into the concierge model so that we could provide that holistic and comprehensive care that patients need and deserve.
So what makes it unique? Besides the access that you talk about,
Yes.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
There are a few unique parts of what we can do, and what we really like is that we provide a unique blend of evidence-based medicine as well as some more integrative options for our patients when appropriate. And we really focus on a lot of the pillars of nutrition and exercise for our patients because those are huge for their overall health, which not a lot of traditional medicine doctors have the time to necessarily do. And in doing that, we really provide ways to keep people healthy as opposed to trying to treat problems as they arise.
Tell us about your patients. Who do you see? Who makes the squad?
Who makes the squad? Really anyone. So we're board certified family medicine physicians, and so we have comprehensive training in all age groups. So we see individuals and families, men, women, and children. And we just want to provide that, like we said, excellence in care, and then also the relationship building that is incredibly important in people's health. If you don't know your physician and your physician doesn't know you, then it's hard to actually get the care that you need. And so we're able to do that with the time that we can spend with our patients. Whatever age they're at, whatever stage of life, we can provide that excellence in care.
What about the person who feels like, hey, I'm healthy? They don't see the value in establishing the relationship with a physician who will walk beside them when they're not in perfect health. What do you say to them?
We just really think that no one should settle for suboptimal care. So a quick yearly physical where you feel rushed or some just generic lab tests that are done for you, we do not think that's good care, and it's not going to keep you healthy long term. And so we want everyone, regardless of their health, to consider concierge medicine, because if you are feeling healthy now, that doesn't mean there's not things going on under the surface that could cause problems down the road. And we know that healthcare, a lot of the complaints about healthcare is it's very reactive to problems, and we want to be proactive for all of our patients on their health, and we want them to be proactive as well. So this works great for any type person, regardless of their health status.
It's so much about the relationship, and this model allows for that in such a wonderful way, I think.
Yeah, we think so too. Yeah.
Well, Concierge Medicine of West Michigan is taking new patients. If you'd like to sit down, do a meet and greet, or learn more about them, call the phone number on the screen, 616-290-1650, or you can visit cmwestmichigan.com, cmwestmichigan.com. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.